In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place and modify trades in TradingView with Topstep. We'll start with placing trades right from your chart, because that's the fastest way to act when you see an opportunity. On your TradingView chart, you'll notice dedicated buy and sell buttons. Click either one to open the order execution window. This order panel is where you'll choose your order type. Set your quantity and define any protective levels. If you prefer to anchor your order to a specific price on the chart, just right-click exactly where you want to trade and select buy or sell. TradingView will automatically populate that price for you, which helps reduce entry mistakes and keeps your focus on the chart. Inside the order panel, select the order type that best matches your intent. Market orders fill at the best available price right now. Ideal when speed is more important than precision. Limit orders specify the exact price you want. Aiming for control over execution, but they only fill if the market reaches that level. Stop orders trigger once price crosses your stop level. Useful for breakout entries. Stop limit combines both. Triggering a limit order once the stop price is touched, giving you more control over slippage. To manage risk from the outset, enable brackets by checking the stop loss and take profit boxes. Enter your desired levels so your protective stop and target are placed automatically with the trade, keeping your risk and reward clearly defined. Now, let's modify trades after they're placed. TradingView makes this very intuitive on the chart itself. Look for the horizontal order line and simply click and drag it to adjust your entry, or drag the attached SL and TP lines to refine your protective levels. As you move them, you'll see the new prices reflected, so you can dial in precise adjustments without leaving the chart. If you prefer a more form-based approach, open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Navigate to the Orders tab for working orders or the Positions tab for active trades. Click the Edit icon to adjust the price, quantity, or your stop and target levels. This is helpful when you want to change multiple fields carefully and confirm everything before you apply it. If you need to cancel a working order, do it instantly by clicking the X next to the order line on the chart, or the X in the trading panel. The order will be removed immediately, keeping your blotter clean and your risk controlled. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.